Birds are full of surprises. Here are some fun facts for all ages.
There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world.
Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbones.
Birds eat insects, fruit, seeds, small mammals, and fish.
Birds have beaks but do not have any teeth.
All birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly.
Birds are dinosaurs' closest living relatives.
Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly, but they are good swimmers.
A peregrine falcon is one of the fastest animals on Earth. In a dive, it can go over 200 miles per hour.
The largest bird in the world is the ostrich.
Some birds sleep with one eye open. They can rest half their brain while staying alert.
Flamingos are pink because of their food, like algae and tiny shrimp.
Crows are super smart. They can use tools, remember faces, and even hold grudges.
Some birds migrate insanely far. The Arctic tern can travel from the Arctic to Antarctica and back, tens of thousands of miles.
Hummingbirds can fly backward. Most birds can't do that.
Parrots can mimic sounds because of a special voice box called the syrinx.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos.